This entire studio lighting upgrade cost me $3. No softboxes, no ring lights, no new gear. Just one light bulb, and it completely changed how my videos look. If you're a YouTuber or you film at home, watch this before you buy expensive lights. This is my living room studio. I love this space. It's cozy, warm, and feels like home. But on camera, something always felt off. Objects looked slightly yellow. The books behind me didn't pop. No matter how much I adjusted the camera, the image never felt clean. The problem wasn't my camera. It wasn't my lens. It was the light bulb. I was using a normal, warm household bulb around 2700 to 3000 Kelvin. Great for atmosphere, bad for video. Warm light makes everything yellow and muddy on camera. I swapped it for a Philips LED bulb, 4000 Kelvin cool white, 13 watts, 1521 lumens, E27 socket, same fixture, same lamp, about $3. 4000 Kelvin is the sweet spot. Not cold hospital light, not yellow living room light. It's neutral, natural skin tones, accurate colors, cleaner image. Objects are clearer. The books stand out. The room feels brighter, but still cozy. I didn't change the room. I changed one variable. Perfect if you film talking head videos, work from a living room or small space, and don't want studio lights everywhere. Before you buy expensive lights, fix the light you already have. Like the video, subscribe to my channel. What's the cheapest upgrade that improved your setup? See you in the next one.